In this video, I'll teach you how to add your favorite tables to the Tables menu and your favorite views to the View menu in Microsoft Project. In Microsoft Project, you probably figured out that there's a bunch of default tables that do not appear automatically on the Tables menu. And there are a number of powerful views that do not appear automatically on the View menu. In this video, I'll teach you how to add your favorites to the appropriate menus. So let's get started. As I mentioned in my introduction, there are a number of tables and views that do not automatically appear on the list of most commonly used tables and views. For example, if you need to do earned value analysis, Microsoft Project offers 3 EVA tables, none of which appear on the menu of most commonly used tables. Let me show you what I mean. If I right-click on the Select All button, here's the list of most commonly used tables. None of these are the earned value tables. But if I choose the More Tables item on the shortcut menu, well, here they are. Earned value cost indicators, and earned value schedule indicators. Let me just pick the earned value table and I'll show you what it looks like. When I drag my split bar over to the far right side of the screen, there's all of these earned value columns. However, even with this table applied, if I right-click again on the Select All button, I don't see the name of the table here. What's going on? Here's how to add your favorite tables to this list of the most commonly used tables. On the menu, choose More Tables to display the More Tables dialog. Select your favorite table and click the Edit button. For example, I have the Earned Value table displayed in the Table Definition dialog. In the upper right corner of the dialog, select the Show in Menu checkbox and then click OK. I'll do the same thing for the other 2 EVA tables as well. So for Earned Value, Cost Indicators, we'll show it in the menu. And for Earned Value, Schedule Indicators, again, I'll select Show in Menu. I'll click Apply, and then click Close. Now let's take a look. Well, by golly, there they are. Earned value cost indicators, earned value schedule indicators. Well, let's go back to the entry table and drag the split bar to the right edge of the duration column. There's also a bunch of built-in views that do not appear automatically on the menu of most commonly used views in Microsoft Project. Let me show you what I mean. If I click the Gantt chart Pick List button in the task ribbon, here's the list of most commonly used views. There's only 14 of them. But to see all of the available views, I need to select the More Views item on the menu to display the More Views dialog. If I scroll through this dialog, you can see there's a whole bunch of built-in views that do not display on that menu of most commonly used views. For example, there's a special view called Resource Allocation that is useful if you level over-allocated resources using the built-in leveling tool in Microsoft Project. If I select this view and click Apply, you can see it's a combination view consisting of resource usage in the top pane and leveling Gantt in the bottom pane. However, if I click the Gantt chart Pick List button again, resource allocation does not appear on the menu. Here's how to add your own favorite views to the list of most commonly used views. Click the Gantt chart Pick List button in the task ribbon and select More Views. Find your favorite view and select it, then click the Edit button. In the View Definition dialog for that view, select the checkbox called Show in Menu, and then click the OK button. Now let me close the dialog, and let me get out of this combination view. Let me go back to the regular Gantt chart view. There we are. Now when I click the Gantt chart Pick List button again, there it is, resource allocation. So that's how to add your own favorite views to the pick list of most commonly used views in Microsoft Project. Sorry for interrupting the video, but I just noticed there's people from all over the world watching this video. If you wouldn't mind, would you please leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know where you live? I'd really appreciate that. And now, back to the video. The procedures that I just demonstrated only impact the project in which you applied these procedures. But if you would like your favorite tables and views to appear automatically in every project that you manage, you'll need to do a few additional steps. They are: click the File tab, and then click the Info tab in the Backstage. On the Info page, click the Organizer button to display the Organizer dialog with the Views tab selected. In the list on the right side of the dialog, select your favorite views and then click the Copy button. In the Confirmation dialog, click either Yes or Yes to All, depending on how many views you've selected. I'll click Yes. Then click the Tables tab to display the Tables page. Again, in the list on the right, select your favorite tables, and again click the Copy button. In the Confirmation dialog, again click either Yes or Yes to All. I'll click Yes to All. Then click the Close button and press the Escape key to exit out of the Backstage. Finally, save your project and exit Microsoft Project completely. The next time you open Microsoft Project, your favorite tables and views will appear automatically on the appropriate menus. Well, now you know how to add your favorite tables and views to the appropriate menu in Microsoft Project. As always, I sure hope this video was useful to you. If it was, be sure to give it a like, share it with your colleagues, be sure and subscribe and click that notifications button. Also, if you would be interested in hiring me to come to your organization and train your project managers and schedulers, please leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll get back to you right away. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.